Today's video is going to be a little different, guys. Today, I'm going to tell you how to not get clients. I'm going to point out 2 to 3 key areas that you're probably falling short. This is contributing to you not landing freelance video editing clients. And this is also why my guys in Video Production Plus are landing freelance clients. For example, Josh. Let's go, boys. I just got my first completely remote client. He's planning on doing more videos with me. I got him from networking in this Discord as well. Our private members community, Video Production Plus, is unmatched. He's not the only one. Check Flexi as well. I joined VP Plus 3 weeks ago. I used the same method that Jack says. 1 week ago, I got my first paying client. These are just 2 of many success stories that we have inside VP Plus. Today, I'm going to give you guys some alpha. I'm going to give you guys some gems that I usually don't share on the channel. Today, we're going to break down approaches that don't work and approaches that do. Real quick, before we do, Video Production Plus, link down below. Come join the fastest growing legendary community of online creators leveling up their craft. Come network with the best and build yourself a career in video production. Without further ado, let's jump on the screen. So first off, I want to show you guys a poll that I did. 800 people responded to this poll. I said, how do you present your work to potential clients? 29% said they use a portfolio site. 24% said they use social media. 35%, the majority here, just use a link or a sample, like they just send a link. And 11% use a video intro. Today, we're going to break down these approaches. Then I went over to Twitter and I stumbled across this tweet. It actually made me laugh. Can't believe what just happened on Upwork. I posted a small job I need done for Magic Pages. Within 10 minutes, I got 5 proposals, all the same. So I took a closer look. Turns out they had used ChatGPT to generate their proposals. Let's go ahead and talk about this. So our friends using ChatGPT, right, are employing a lazy volume approach. What a lazy volume approach means is that you are just going to draft a cold email. You are going to come up with a basic offer and you're just going to like send it to loads of people. Maybe you send 200 cold emails, 200 cold DMs. It is quite tedious. I've done this myself. I have converted clients with a volume approach. You can also use Upwork.com or other freelancer marketplaces and just use a volume approach of just applying to every single job. And by all means, this over a long enough period of time will convert a client for you. But it's not optimized. It's not what I would suggest anybody to go out there and do. There's better ways to get the job done, so to speak. So let's break down what a better method looks like. You see over here, most people are just using a link/sample, which in my opinion is kind of an indication they're following a bit of a lazy approach. Now, realistically, volume approach isn't even horrible, right? You can convert clients. Like I said, I used to do volume approaches on Upwork. I used to do volume approaches over email, but one big shift that I made was standing out. And video intro is one of the things that I use to stand out. I'm not hypothesizing here. I speak from absolute experience. People that use the video intro have a higher conversion rate. It's more personal. They can see you. It's honestly like they're building some rapport with you and getting to know you before they even respond to your message. It's very powerful. I noticed huge increases and multiples on my conversion rates when I started incorporating the video intro. Let's load up VP Plus. I want to show you guys a video intro from Stony P, one of our Video Production Plus students. He's just landed a client recently and, you know, he's converted them completely off the back of a personalized video intro. Now, by the way, he's doing a volume approach. He landed the client on Upwork, but he incorporated the video intro, which is slightly more personal. Let's play it. Let me show you what I'm talking about.
What's going on? My name is Ryan. I am a full-time editor and social media manager, and I have applied to your position today because I am looking for editing positions with a focus on short-form content, including TikToks and YouTube Shorts. I've worked on a bunch of different projects, including everything from business to travel to finance.
I don't need to continue playing it right there. You got the gist, right? Obviously, it's more personal than the person just sending off written paragraphs. The volume approach can be improved. Let's go ahead and just say, like, how do we improve the volume approach? Personalize it. So a personalized approach, one, could be the video intro. Video intro is definitely personalized. Another method is just doing a little bit of more research on the person who you're hitting up. A friend of mine actually runs a lead gen agency, and one of the ways they were converting more clients is they were just doing like 5-10 minutes of research on every single cold email they sent. So they'd find a YouTuber, for example, they were going to hit up and offer services to, but instead of just sending them a cold email with a template, they'd find their Instagram, they'd scroll through their Instagram, they'd see that they just got like a new dog, or they just had a baby, or they just got a new car, and they'd use that in the message. So they'd say, hey, Derek, you know, just saw your YouTube video, been loving it, getting lots of value. Congrats on the kid, by the way. You know, I just had a baby girl last September. Obviously, that converted more. So there's multiple ways to do personalized approaches. You could do personalized like that, or you could do the video intro where they literally see you talking directly to them. We could see the conversions happening inside Video Production Plus. I could see the conversions happening for my friend who runs the lead gen agency, right? I could see these personalized twists here having a significant impact impact on conversion because people have started to become desensitized to spam. You have to do new things. It's 2023. You have to make a shift to less lazy approach. So real quick, let's throw Flexy's testimonial back on the screen. Flexy said, I've joined VP Plus 3 weeks ago. I used the same method that Jack says. 1 week ago, I got my first paying client. I'm so happy to share this. Now, what did Flexy use to actually land these clients? Did he use a volume approach? No, he was not doing a volume approach. What I'm about to show you is the #1 way for beginners to land clients. For someone with no connections, who's fresh to the game, they say, Jack, what's a controllable way to just land a client, bro? You want to do a value first. A value first strategy is in the name. It means you don't come to somebody asking for something from them. Can you hire me? Can I make you a free video? Like, this is actually a funny shift that I talk about in VP Plus. Asking a client, can I do something for free, is an ask. They have to now activate that. They have to take you up on that. They have to send you some footage. You know what a value first strategy is? You pop out of the blue with value, right? They never heard about you before. You just pop up with value. This is what a value first strategy looks like from the perspective of a graphic designer. Now we have more in-depth methods, right, inside VP Plus, but this is someone using a value first strategy on me. Now they converted me. I paid them for multiple thumbnails after this. What they did is they just popped up and they literally just said, hey Jack, I've been watching your videos for a while. You've brought me a bunch of value. I took one of your thumbnails and I recreated it completely for free. If you enjoy it, sweet. If you don't worry, right? Now let's compare that to somebody else. Someone who actually also offered their services, but in a different way. Now, which one of those is better? Hey, I would love to work with you as a thumbnail designer versus value first. I paid Silver hundreds of dollars for, over the course of a few weeks, right, to make thumbnails. It's because he provided value first. Value first means you approach someone with content up front, custom content for them. They never heard about you until now. It's great with shorts content. This is what I'm pushing in VP Plus right now. This is how Flexy landed his client. You go and download someone's YouTube short. You make it better. You send it back to them. That's essentially a before and an after. You're showing them, hey, here's what your clip looked like before. Here's where I took it. You are doing a before and an after. You're doing a comparison, right? You're showing value first. I promise this is such a better strategy than a volume strategy. I've done it too. It's tedious, but you can convert. Now that I work with freelancers inside video production, plus I'm on calls with them all day long. When you join VP Plus, one of the value adds is you can have a one-on-one call with me. The only reason we could do that is because we're sub 150 members. We're still a relatively small community, but the results coming out of there are real. You guys are going to see all year. If you don't join, we're going to put the price up, but the principles remain. And the principles are value first is a noise piercer. So say this is their ear, right? And you know what they're hearing all day long? Pitches. They're getting pitched in their earlobe all day long by people who want value from them. So they're getting pitched all day long, megaphone in the ear. Then you come along and instead of pitching them, you just give value first. You just pop up with a video that you've improved and this is absolutely crushing it. I'd love to show you guys some more comparisons. We have people in VP Plus who are doing before and after content on Twitter in a very cool way. I obviously can't leak everything for Video Production Plus. So if you like this video and you're interested in more, come join us inside Video Production Plus. Come book a one-on-one consultation with me. We'll put a plan together to make sure you get results as well. And that's just one of the many different bonuses we have inside VP Plus. We've got asset packs, editing packs, courses, an awesome community helping each other out on a daily basis. That right there is the video. That's how to not get clients. We reviewed some methods which I know are taking money off people's table, right? I know if you're sat there all day long just still sending 150 cold emails, you're going to get tired, you're going to get burnt out, and you might not even convert. Follow my Twitter, by the way, guys. I'm doing daily Twitter threads. I've set myself a goal, do one Twitter thread for an entire year. If you enjoyed this video, you're going to love this one. Click it right now because I'm about to jump off your screen. 3, 2, 1. See you there.